Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel VBA versus Python. We'll explore their strengths and weaknesses to help you decide which tool best suits your automation needs. VBA, or Visual Basic for applications, is deeply embedded within Excel, making it incredibly efficient for tasks like formatting cells, manipulating data, and creating custom functions directly inside your spreadsheets. It's often the go-to for quick, in-program solutions. Now, let's talk about Python. This powerful language extends far beyond Excel, offering robust solutions for data science, web development, and more. With libraries like Pandas, Python excels at processing massive datasets and performing intricate statistical analyses that might overwhelm VBA. It provides greater flexibility and scalability for projects that involve multiple applications or extensive data manipulation. So, when should you choose which? If your automation needs are strictly within Excel, like creating custom functions or automating routine reports, VBA is often the faster and simpler choice. However, for projects requiring integration with databases, web services, or advanced machine learning, Python is the clear winner due to its extensive libraries and broader application. Your team's expertise also plays a significant role. Ultimately, both VBA and Python are incredibly valuable tools for anyone working with data. The better option truly depends on the specific problem you're trying to solve, the scale of your project, and your long-term automation goals. Many professionals even use both, leveraging VBA for quick Excel fixes and Python for more complex, cross-application tasks. Explore both to find what fits best. And speaking of smart solutions, check out the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.